Research and data of the Corema project are available online in our repository. The website and our approach towards the historical texts are based on the methods used for digital scholarly editions. Digital scholarly editions aim at presenting results that surpass the possibilities offered by the book. They are determined by a digital paradigm. For the Corema project, this starts with the base data. The source files for all derivatives of our work are TMI XML files that describe the historical sources as detailed as possible. We are aiming at a very close textual reproduction of the historic document. The initial transcription is produced manually with the software Transcribus. Derivatives of our base file are, for example, the text image synopsis or the different downloadable versions of the source text. These include the XML file with the hyperdiplomatic data, XSL transformation files, or the source as plain text. For all historical sources, detailed bibliographic metadata is available. Our institutional repository also provides a detailed metadata overview. The data on the website is available through an intuitive and differentiated user interface that allows for an analytic approach, but also supports curiosity-driven research. Another derivative of our base XML file is the semantically enriched text. The common denominator between the different language texts are ingredients, tools, and dishes. In the end, these will be the basis for a cross-language recipe comparison. The annotation of the text relies on semi-automatic workflows with Python scripts and comprehensive variant lexica. We aim at the gold standard data quality. The Corema semantic model is designed to be used on any cooking recipe, either old or new. The data graph shown here can be translated into TI XML as well as RDF XML, which is used to store our data in appropriate triple store databases. This data structure allows us to connect our data, ingredients, dishes, tools, with the data from the linked open data universe. For this link, we rely on the community-driven Wikidata knowledge base as intermediary. This structure also allows us to analyze the data with semantic queries, which can provide us with associative and contextual information. An example would be our flavor data experiment. For this, we enriched our ingredients with information on flavor molecules, providing both numeral as well as textual information. With appropriate queries, we got flavor profiles for individual recipes, here, for example, a tasty mustard recipe. We associated flavor with the humoral qualities of the ingredients. And now we have the information on how the individual humors would taste today. We can even use this information as a means to provide a distant reading approach towards our recipe collections. What I have learned from the work with our team so far is that any meaningful and forward-looking research into historical sources on food and foodways has to be digital. The digital medium brings unknown potential to a highly interesting field of study.